In this voyage, we leave Cape Charles and head back across the bay to Deltaville on the west shore of the Chesapeake. We enjoy a bike ride to the museum and take some time to relax.
Hi there, I'm Tom.
I'm Jen.
And we're the crew of Soulmate, a 2005 main ship 400, and we're doing America's Great Loop.
We depart Cape Charles and travel 28.9 nautical miles on our way to Deltaville.
All right, we are leaving Cape Charles, headed back across the bay, and we are looking to go to Deltaville today. So should be about a 4-hour cruise, 28 miles, and hopefully the bay is as nice today as it was yesterday.
All right, we just left Cape Charles, got some diesel. Don't want to know how much that cost. And there is the downtown area, heading to Deltaville. So should be a good day. Looking forward to it.
All right, this is the Chesapeake today. Maybe a little bit bigger waves today than we had yesterday, but really still very comfortable. So we're headed back from the east side over to the west side to Deltaville, and we're going to stay there a couple of nights, and then we're going to see what the weather's like. If we can get a window, we might go over to Tangier Island and spend one night there. If we can't get the weather to cooperate, then maybe our next stop is going to be somewhere around Reedville or maybe up to the Solomons.
I don't know what he carries. Could be grain, could be ore, could be rock, sand, whatever. Because he's got buckets that lifts up, and so everything goes underneath the deck. But apparently there is no smoking allowed on that boat. There's no smoking. But it's the Virtuous Striker. Pretty cool boat. It is one long boat. And his counterparts are all back that way, waiting. You can barely see them now. It is morning. We are moving. We are kind of in the middle of the Chesapeake right now. Heading to another town called Deltaville. Just wanted to say good morning to you guys. We miss you.
Hopefully the camera, GoPro, is picking it up. Kind of straight ahead and a little bit off to the left. I believe is the point that marks the entrance into Deltaville. I think right after that is we're going to make kind of a hard turn to the left to port, and in through a channel, and then into our marina. Biking from Deltaville to the museum. It's a little crazy. The bike doesn't steer so good.
Me filming Tom while Tom is filming. We are in Deltaville, and we're taking a ride. We're gonna go take a ride to the museum. And this is what our path is. Another car coming up behind us.
Yes, biking. Oh my God, crazy stuff. There's Jen behind me. I think she's trying to video too. Ooh, no bike. Oh, no brakes on the bike. It doesn't steer. Ooh, we're fine.
We're both videoing.
Why are you videoing?
Why not?
I want to see you crash.
That's not very nice. Sheesh. Going down the road, headed to the museum here in Deltaville. It smells good. It's nice and cool out. Love. I'm loving this trip.
All right, this is at the museum and nature center. They got this really neat area for kids. They have birdhouses and a big train set and different things for the kids to play. All right, Holly Point. Go stand in your boots over there. Go stand in your boots. What do they call those, muckers? Oh, they're just your size too.
Size 10.
Back on the move again. Gonna bike through the nature preserve here at Holly Point, down to the waterfront exhibit, whatever that may be. We'll give a little perspective of the water exhibits there at the museum in Deltaville. So this area is called Holly Point. You can see that was an old crabbing boat there. Just kind of waterlands here, houses, people with their docks. A wild Jennifer.
It's beautiful here.
And then back to the land side where they have a bunch of pavilions and stuff. All right, we are in a little walkway to a variety of sculptures. I think it gets a little spooky back here though, personally. But the sculptures are pretty. It is unbelievable the number of models that they have at this museum. Truly, there's got to be hundreds of them.
Yeah, that's a snake. I don't know what kind, but it's a nope rope. I'm a little bit humbled to be able to have this opportunity to have this adventure doing America's Great Loop with Tom, and it's just been it's been interesting. That's the Chesapeake. It's a Chesapeake. Never thought I'd be on my own boat with on our own boat in the Chesapeake doing something that we both love. And it's a trip of a lifetime.
In the next episode, we continue up the Chesapeake, cross the Potomac River on our way to the Solomons.